Hello guys, welcome to Oliver the Mechanic, and today's episode I have some Toyota Hilux here, and this one is troubleshooting episode. Park light is not working. When you turn the park light here, the switch here, sometimes work, sometimes not. Yeah, sometimes work. It works. Works. Where is it? It's working. Yeah, see, sometimes not work, sometimes work. Yeah, now it's not working. It's intermittent. Yeah, now it's not working. Try to put here. Yeah, it's not working. When you switch this one on, it's not working. Sometimes it works. It's intermittent problem. Yeah, now it's not working. And when I grab the diagram, it's a simple diagram. It goes to the battery with a fuse and goes to the switch, and it will distribute the switch all the load here, like the back tail light and the front park light bulb. It will distribute all the stuff there, including the lights here at the dash. But yeah, I check it. The fuse is okay, and I found out that this one, either the wire going here to the switch or the wire here outside going to the load. But the wire here is green. This one goes to the load, the green, and this one is green white. I checked that one already, and yeah, I think I'm lucky and just only wiggle it and it works. Show you here. This is the switch thing here. I'll try to put it on the park. Yeah, that's already parked. And if I wiggle here, you see, it works. Park light's working. Off again. Yeah, it's not working again. On. I'll try to turn off my camera. My lights, so you can see. That one is off. That one is on. And I will try to wiggle it here at the bottom. You see, it works. Yeah, all the park lights work. Yeah. When you hear the beep, it means the park light's working. Off. On again. Yeah, nothing. But if I wiggle here, show you where I wiggle here at the connector, the whole connector here, I wiggle it. Yeah, the park light's on. So I think the problem is the switch. It's maybe high resistance already. And actually I tried to buy the switch already. I'll try to remove this one so we can off first. Yep, try to remove this. Yeah, that's the connector for the switch. That one includes also the headlight. I have a new one here. This one, it's a new Toyota, genuine one. Part number is, give you the part number. This one. This is the part number for that one. And the whole switch assembly. You see, that's the whole switch assembly there. And now I'll try to plug in this one without putting it first, so we can diagnose if we diagnose it wrong or right. Put this one here on my camera. I'll put this one first here. Yeah, we can put this one even without like checking it first before we install it properly. I'll try to park light now. Yeah, you see, it's always working. That's the new one already at the bottom. That's the old one inside there. Yep, I'll try to park it. Yeah, it's always working. Yeah, it's always working when with the new switch. Yeah. So I think the problem is the switch. This one, maybe high resistance already. And yeah, that's how I diagnose it. I try to wiggle it here. Wiggle, and lucky it works. Sometimes not. So yeah, just try that one, guys. If you have a switch problem, just wiggle this one here, and yeah, maybe it will work also. And yeah, that's the wiring diagram, and the one that goes out is green. So you can check the multimeter here. If no power coming out here on the green side here, so it means that the switch is the problem. If fuse is okay and the line of this one is going to the switch is okay also, and no power coming out here on the green, so it means that the switch is a problem. Okay, but mine, I just wiggle it and it works. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I just try to share my knowledge how I diagnose this one by wiggling it. Sometimes on the book there's a process also of wiggling. So this one work here. Just wiggle it and you can see if switch is working or not. Okay, I think that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching again and see you on the next video. Oliver, signing out. Sa Diyos ang lahat ng kapurihan.